Welcome back everyone. So this is the Texas 1958 bug that we brought over just before Christmas. Obviously this is part 3, so we're going to start pulling it apart. Hopefully we've put we've been spraying a few of the nuts and bolts, so hopefully they'll come apart the first time. We shall see in the next few minutes, I suppose. But we've got Paul in from South Coast Customs who helps us with the trekker and stuff. So obviously he's come down to give us a hand because we're pulling a late one tonight. Due to just being busy at both ends in the day, so let's see how we get on. Okay, what sort of order do you want to start in?
Well, first off we'll get tank out, the jacket up, get the wheels off, and then see how many come undone, I suppose.
Yeah.
Being at home.
Yeah, I bet.
Right, what's it going on? It's going to be on the, is it not this side? Underneath. Yeah, this wire's quite tight. And actually it goes into this, it's not the true, it's going to have to lift and go your way. It gets you a little bit? Yeah, come. Okay, what it is, it's caught on the fuel pipe. Right, okay, so that's a super long little pipe.
Literally on the spine, back of the spine.
Yeah, right in the middle there.
Yep.
That's it. You jack up square there.
Yes.
Yeah, go on. No, it's fine.
There we go. Centralise that, so pass us that over, Jeff. Stand up. I'm on 1, 2, 3 showing.
1, 2, 3 showing. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Happy?
Yep. Splendid.
It's twisting a little bit. It's not quite square on, is it? That's it. That's better, isn't it? Is that central?
Sure. Right, if you want to go along the underside on that side and start undoing all of the bits and bobs.
There we are.
Be all of the ones in the channel.
Yeah, so here, first line there.
Yeah.
Oh, so far so good. That's a stone there. Harrison, can you get me some a screwdriver or something? Just something sharp. I can try and. It's something. Huh? Yeah, flat, please. There's something stuck in between. I can't get the socket on. That's alright. That's alright. Ah, shit. Can you get me a hammer as well? Something stuck. Yeah. Don't matter, it's alright. I use the pliers. I got it. Try not to eat Texas dust.
Get one.
So I've got
20 seconds and I'll have this Probably more than 20 seconds. Give me 30 seconds. In there.
Right, so 10 of the bolts on the floor pan on the underside have all come out. They came out, I think we had one snap, which was really good. 2 each side of the bulkhead, across the back of the seat, under the seats are done. We're just going to see if we can prise it apart now, and that's if we haven't missed anything, but we'll soon find out. It's just 45 years of sat in the desert, or in Texas, should I say. He's obviously stuck it all together more than the bolts, I think. See how we get on. We moved it,
Yeah.
it is just a crud. I think it's just a crud holding it together, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, there's it.
Stick it. That's come off. Look at the gasket.
Yeah, it's like new, isn't it?
That looks, it does look brand new. Go on, let's write that down. Let's try the back. Is that right?
Yeah, good.
Nice. Is that going to be... I'm quite surprised on how easy that's come apart.
That was probably the easiest body off I think we've had ever.
This car just keeps surprising me, if I'm honest. It's, like I said, I think it's just been so preserved, sat there, isn't it, for all the years. That, yeah,
It's phenomenal.
we haven't had to get the angle grinder out on any of the bolts yet.
Well, yeah.
Yeah. I think we did it on it. Well, we had to cut the pan apart on the tracker, didn't we? So.
Yeah. Yeah, well, that had been welded to the body of it.
Yeah. Oh, brilliant, wicked. Right, this is done. Pressing out.
Yeah.
I've got that everyone.
We are free.
Okay, we're
Line.
drop forward. There you go.
Flip in it. All factory stuff. That's it.
Wicked.
So all we need to do now is lift it
Off.
up that high
Yeah.
and then put it on the floor or something.
Yeah. What we're coming to move it across one side, do you reckon?
Yeah.
Try and probably carry it to this side and drop it down, maybe.
Yeah. Yeah.
We'll set that off. You might need to help for that one.
It's going to be heavy.
Yeah.
The heaviest bit is the front. So if you
Okay.
can get 2 on the front
Okay.
and then 1 on the back, it sort of needs to come up
Yeah.
and then
go
sideways.
over. Okay. You might. Hey everyone, okay, so a lot easier than we thought, which is still this car's still amazing me. There she is. The 58 is apart. Time is it? Time it now? 7:30ish?
Yeah.
What do you reckon that is, about an hour?
Not bad.
So, about an hour, everything's come and done ridiculously easy enough. And there she is. Can we look at the rubber seals on that? Look how good it looks, I can't believe that. And, well, I was going to say that could be factory, but yeah, the gearbox nest. Wow, happy days. So what we're looking at body wise, do you reckon?
Yeah, I mean,
Spare wheel well?
huge amount of spare wheel well, because that's pretty crusty.
Yeah, standard.
Bulkhead is fine. It's just a couple 3 points on the heater channels, which is going to need some welding. Everything else is solid enough. Maybe just a bit of a wire brushing here and there.
Yeah, just to clean up. Maybe get all the sound deadening off and all the old line on the inside. I don't know if you can see it that well with the camera in here, but thing is, it's kind of trying to get some of that off as careful as you can, because the paint underneath it is absolutely mint, isn't it? It's like in here. Get all this old sound deadening off and dodgy carpet bits and.
Hot air gun, that would be the way forwards.
What do you reckon?
Yeah.
It should clean up really nice. Same with the wings, get the wings off and see what that's like. No play at all. This car just keeps on giving. Brilliant.
That is awesome.
Might need some material on the seats, so I'm guessing.
That leave like that.
Yeah.
£70 for a reclean good at 95, so I don't know.
Actually looks quite clean in here as well.
Absolutely ready on deal.
Don't want to play in it. Solid.
Yep.
Do you reckon blast the tank?
Yeah. Yeah. It might go again. I don't know on this one. It's a bit crusty.
Yeah, it does look a bit more rust than the rest of it, doesn't it?
Have to do is get it blasted and fill
get
it full of
down.
juice or some water or something, and a
see
bit
if
of
it
petrol.
leaks. Right, okay, so that was been a lot easier than we thought, which has been absolutely brilliant. So the body will sit here for a short while. Next job will be, hopefully over the next few days if we've got the time, is get the pan stripped apart, get the front beam off, get the handbrake off, gearbox out, strip everything down, ready to get to the blasters I suppose. So we'll get it all blasted, powder coated all wet spray, we're not 100% sure yet. And then try and get that floor pan put together and immaculate underneath and built back up. So again, thank you for those that have been following so far. If you've got any comments, drop them down below. Any links we'll put in the description also, so you can see, especially Paul who's been working with us, and anything we've been doing throughout the video. If you're interested in obviously following the next part to it all, please subscribe and like the video. And yeah, we'll try and get on it as quick as we can now, I suppose. Now we've got a few things sorted at Revo's Hub itself. So we want to try and get on with this, so we're trying not to leave such a long gap for the next video really, so we can keep you all tuned in what's happening. But yeah, we've got a lot of plans, we've got a lot of stuff ready to go with it now, so hopefully things will move quite quickly for the 58. So yeah, thank you so much for everyone for watching, and see you soon hopefully. Cheers.